Breaking down a project into phases is essential for accurate estimation and efficient management. A common approach divides the work into rough installation, trim out, and punch list phases. The first phase, rough installation, often accounts for approximately 65% of the project. During rough installation, activities include wall framing and drywall installation, ensuring the structural integrity of the walls. Electrical wiring and rough-ins are completed for outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures, setting the stage for power distribution. Plumbing rough-ins are also performed for sinks, toilets, showers, and tubs. This establishes the water supply and drainage systems. HVAC ductwork is installed to facilitate heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Finally, insulation and air sealing are applied to improve energy efficiency and prevent drafts. The second phase, trim out, typically represents about 25% of the project. Trim out encompasses baseboards, crown moldings, and window and door casings. These elements add aesthetic appeal and detail to the interior. Interior painting or wall covering is applied to finish the walls with the desired color and texture. Light fixtures are installed to provide illumination and enhance the ambience of the space. Flooring installation is carried out to create a comfortable and visually appealing surface. Cabinets and countertops are installed in kitchens and bathrooms to provide storage and work surfaces. The final phase, the punch list, usually constitutes around 10% of the project. The punch list involves touching up paint or wall coverings to correct any imperfections. Final electrical and plumbing inspections are conducted to ensure compliance with safety codes and regulations. Fixture adjustments and alignment are made to ensure proper functionality and aesthetic appeal. Site cleanup and waste removal are performed to leave the project area tidy and organized. Punch list items identified by the homeowner or inspector are addressed to resolve any remaining issues or concerns. It is important to recognize that these percentage breakdowns can vary depending on several factors. Firstly, the complexity of the project significantly influences the distribution of effort. Intricate designs and specialized installations may require more time and resources during the rough installation or trim out phases. Secondly, the materials used in the project can impact the percentage breakdown. High-end or custom materials may demand greater precision and care during installation, affecting the trim-out phase. Thirdly, labor costs can play a role in determining the percentage breakdown. Projects with high labor costs may allocate a larger portion of the budget to the rough installation phase, which often involves more intensive labor. Fixture placement during finished ceiling installation is generally considered part of the trim-out phase. This ensures that the lighting fixtures are properly integrated with the ceiling and contribute to the overall aesthetic appeal. It is essential to remember that these percentages represent an average breakdown and may not be applicable to all projects. Each project has unique characteristics and requirements that can influence the distribution of effort across the different phases. The breakdown you suggested, with 65% for rough, 25% for trim out, and 10% for punch, is a reasonable estimate for a complete wall rough with lighting feeds but no ceilings. This allocation of effort aligns with the typical tasks and considerations involved in each phase of the project.